Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to reset Microsoft Edge to default settings. Well, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Microsoft Edge to its former default setting. This is very useful if there's so many toolbars or like there's so many things happening in your Microsoft Edge and it's a little bit lagging and it's a little bit making your PC a little bit slower when you use Microsoft Edge. So to prevent those, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Microsoft Edge. The first thing you need to do is click on the three dots on the top right in your Microsoft Edge. After clicking on that, go down to settings. Once you're here at settings, click on reset settings. After you are here, you will click restore settings to their default values. After clicking on that, you will see Reset Settings. This will reset your startup page, new tab page, search engine, and pinned tabs. It will also turn off all extension and clear temporary data like cookies. Your favorite history and save password will not be cleared. So now let's reset it. After resetting it, as you can see right now, it is now restored to its former glory. No, I meant default state. So yeah, and a little bit of a tip if you just want to, if it's a little bit laggy only, I suggest just clearing the cookies right here. The cookies, just clear the cookies. Just clean your cookies if it's a little bit laggy. But if still laggy, just reset the Microsoft Edge. So yeah, there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys like it. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.